Losing weight without meaning to? With the right supplements and expert advice, you can bounce back quickly. Just be sure to get your healthcare pros thumbs up first. Boost your appetite with natural supplements like fenugreek, zinc, and thiamine to kickstart your weight gain. Whey, casein, or plant-based protein powders are perfect for building muscle and supporting healthy weight gain. Quick, easy, and packed with nutrients, meal replacement shakes are a great way to increase calorie intake without the hassle. Probiotics and gut-friendly supplements keep digestion smooth and reduce bloating, so your body can absorb the nutrients it needs. Pancreatic enzymes help break down fats, carbs, and proteins, ensuring your body absorbs every bit of nutrition. Omega-3s reduce gut inflammation, improve digestion, and keep things running smoothly. Zinc with thiamine and iron boost your appetite and support a healthy gut, making them key players in healthy weight gain. For expert-approved supplements, check out Vibrant Biome for gut support and Vibrant Digest to enhance nutrient absorption. Ready to take control of your weight loss? Call us today.